Biological classification catalyst question first. Choose the odd one with respect to RNA virus. Second, in the five kingdom classification, Chlamydomonas and Euglena have been placed in conocytic mycelium occurs in members of Azotobacter or Biserinckia are the example of। जी हाँ, एजोटोबैक्टर और बाइजेरिंकिया is the example of non-symbiotic antofixer। 5. A few organisms are known to grow and multiply at temperature as high as 80 degrees Celsius and pH as low as 2. They are 6. Cyanobacteria or blue green algae can adaptively change their body color according to different wavelength of available light. This is called 7. Select the odd one out with respect to the kingdom Monera. 8. Kingdom Protista contains Now read the following statement. How many of the above statement are correct? Thus, tetanus is caused by 11. Select the correct statement. Select the incorrect match. There, which of the following pair belongs to class Basidiomycetes? Chowde, there exists a close association between the alga and the fungus within a lichen. The fungus 15. Most of the viruses are have 16. Mark the odd one with respect to prions. 17. Choose the incorrect statement with respect to mycorrhiza. 18. Read the statement carefully and find the correct option with respect to monerans. 19. Find out the number of bacteria from the box given below. Bis, which one is not concerned with mesosomes? X endospore are actually the means of dash dash and not dash dash. Bias, which of the following feature show living nature of virus? These unicellular eukaryotic organisms were first kept in separate kingdom dash dash under dash dash classification system. Dikaryotic condition is represented by 25. Name of different fungi are given below. How many of the following do or does not have sexual phase? 26. Which of the following is a dinoflagellate? 27. Find the incorrect match. 28. Which of the following spores are produced exogenously? 29. Match the following columns and select the correct option. This which of the following statement is incorrect about diatoms? 31. Locomotory structures are present in which of the following protozoans? 32. Bioluminescent members are 33. Which protozoan has infectious spore-like stage in their life cycle? 34. Which of the following statement is correct about mycorrhiza? 35. Lichens indicators of air pollution mainly of 36. Select the incorrect match. 37 ribosomes, chromatophores, circular DNA, are mesosomes are found in Earth. The earliest attempt to classify living organisms was done by 39. Select the correct match. 40. Choose odd one with respect to agaricus. 41. Select the incorrect match. 42. Diatoms. 43. The protists have 44. Find the incorrect statement with respect to protists. 45. In some protist, cell wall is absent but a proteinaceous, that is elastic structure covering called pellicle is present in. 46. Which of the following is primarily photosynthetic? 47. Match the following diagram with the word given in their respective in a right column. 48. Protozoans are 49. Which of the following fungus belongs to zygomycetes? 50. Match the following column. 51. Read the following statement carefully and identify the correct statement with respect to lichen. 52. Which one is not a feature of most of monerans? 53. Which one is true for rhizopus? 54. Which of the following fungus is extensively used in biochemical and genetic work? 55. Heterocyst in BGA has the following functions except 56. A viroin is Santawan photosynthetic pigments in cyanobacteria is antawan mucilase filled dead cyanobacterial cell is called unsat. Smallest prokaryotes are sat. Transfer of genetic material from one strain of a dead bacterium to other strain of the same living bacteria species is called exert. All kingdoms include autotrophs except Barsat. Scrapie disease in sheep is caused by Tersat. Diploid and dikaryotic condition are represented by dash dash respectively. Chaussat. In mycorrhizal association, the benefit obtained by fungi from plants is या फिर are. Pensat. Which class of fungi produces basidiospores? 66. Chitinous cell wall is found in all except 67. Find the correct match. Or such an edible fungus is 69. Mycelium is not seen in 70. Kingdom Protista is a connecting link between Monera and 71. Photosynthetic pigment similar to those found in higher plant are seen in 72. Which of the following statement about datums is incorrect? 73. Match the following. 74. Which of the following is also called Protestant fungi? 75. Read the following statement. 76. Which of the following heterocyst? 77. Most extensive metabolic diversity is found in 78 nucleoprotein particle outside the host. 79 a red tide phenomenon is due to an organism which poses 80 find the odd one with respect to edible fungi. 81 which of the following disease is not caused by proteinaceous infectious agent. 82 basidiomycetes can be identified as fungi. 83 microscopic organisms with cellular body organization are exclusively included under. 84 which statement is incorrect with respect to spores formed in slime mold. 85 sleeping sickness is caused by. 86 most efficient mode of asexual reproduction in lichen is. 87 select the incorrect statement with respect to mycoplasma. 88 dikaryotic stage is present in the members of. 89 euglena is found mostly in. 90 roots of pinus show a association with B. 92 select the group of parasitic fungus. 93 identify the correct statement with respect to infectious agent discovered by T.O. Diner. 94 oxygenic photosynthesis is found in. 95 which of the following is not correctly matched with its category. 96 transfer of genetic material in bacteria through bacteriophage is. 97 heterotrophic archaebacteria is. 98 identify the statement as true or false. 99 statement A cyanobacteria are characterized by the absence of flagellum throughout life cycle. B In all cyanobacteria नाइट्रोजन फिक्सिंग टेक्स प्लेस। इसमें से कौन करेक्ट है? 100. In Whitaker's five kingdom classification, there is no palace for 101. The main function of microbiome in a lichen is 102. Life cycle of dinoflagellates involve 103. The consumer decomposer protest is 104. Paramylon is reserve food in 105. T.O. Danier discovered the viroid named 106. Unicisternal Golgi bodies is characterized in those organisms whose reserve food material is stored in the form of 107. Which protozoans lack locomotory structures? 108. A septate hyphae is present in 109. Which of the following is not a sexual spore in fungi? 110. Ascospore is different from basidiospore as they are 111. Viral diseases are 112. In the five kingdom classification, alga, including BZA, is scattered into dash kingdom. 113. Fungi represents 114. Most common type of bacteria is 115. Transduction is transfer of DNA from one bacteria to another by A and was demonstrated first in B. 116. Carl Uj found that the six kingdoms naturally cluster into three domains on the basis of 117. Which of the following feature is associated with conjugation fungi? 118. Site of karyogamy and meiosis in agaricus is 119. Slime molds are characterized with 120. Protozoa which possess definite region for ingestion and egestion is 121 parasitic fungus which causes white rust on mustard leaf is 122 boundaries of kingdom are not well defined. This statement is applied to 23 somatogamy is a characteristic feature of 124 choose correct option with respect to lichen. 125 red tide and red sea are caused respectively by 126 select the mismatch. 127 photosynthetic pigment found in BGA are 128 minerals which lack a cell wall. 129 a subviral particle discovered by T.O. Diner has 130 prions are 131 select incorrect match. 132 in Six Kingdom classification, domains of life is based on 133 which of the following is correctly matched with its category. 134 in cyanobacteria heterocyst lack dash dash and carbon dioxide fixation is done only by dash dash. 135 identify the statement as true T or false F. 136 in plants viral disease are characterized with 137 स्टेटमेंट और स्टेटमेंट बी को पढ़िए और बताइए कौन करेक्ट है इसमें. 138 मैच द कॉलम ए विद कॉलम बी. 139 हेटेरोकोन्ट फ्लैजेला इज प्रेजेंट इन. 140 which of the following option is incorrect regarding euglenoid. 141 fungi are mostly. 142 which statement is wrong for viruses. 143 the cell wall of the fungal hyphae is made up of dash dash which is a polymer of dash dash. 144 mytospore is generally absent in. 145 gametangial copulation is characteristic to 146 edible ascocarp is present in 147 vegetative means of propagation in fungi are 148 sexual reproduction is absent in 149 benefit to plant in mycorrhizal association is 150 microbiome of lichen mostly belongs to 151 lichens are indicators of dash dash pollution and they are sensitive to dash dash 152 select incorrect statement with respect to neurospora 153 in Whitaker's five kingdom system of classification. How many kingdoms have autotrophic mode of nutrition? 154 select the correct option with respect to virus and their genetic material. 155 pathogen of sleeping sickness is a 156 mycorrhiza is a 157 find the odd one with respect to viroid. 158 membrane bound organelles are absent in 159 spore of slime molds. 160 choose the incorrect match. 161 mark the incorrect option with respect to mycoplasma. 162 which of the following kingdom is nutritionally very diverse and has no well defined boundaries? 163 in six kingdom classification, Monera was divided into two separate kingdoms on the basis of 164 endospore shows remarkable resistance to high temperature due to the presence of 165 infections RNA particles without protein is 166 read the statements with respect to club fungi. 167 match the following columns. 168 read the given statement. 169 archaebacteria differ from eubacteria in 170 five kingdom system of classification is not based on 171 viral capsid is made up of 172 late blight of potato is caused by dash dash that belongs to class dash dash 173 haploid sexual spore produced endogenously in fungi is 174 artig neat is a characteristics of 175 how many bacterial cells will be produced in 2 hours if the bacterium is dividing every 20 minutes. 176 cell wall is present in how many kingdoms in Whitaker 5 kingdom classification. 177 find odd one with respect to virus. 178 which of the following statement is correct with respect to protesta. 179 a red tide of sea is due to excess growth of 180 multicellular organisms with loose tissue body organization having heterotrophic mode of nutrition are 181 the causal organisms for sleeping sickness and Kalajar belongs to 182 diatomite is utilized for the following purpose except 183 the correct sequence of events in sexual reproduction of fungi. 184 the boundary of which of the following kingdom is not well defined. 185 the filamentous cyanobacteria are 186 choose the incorrect option with respect to bacterial reproduction. 187 find odd one with respect to dinoflagellates. 188 mycorrhizal association is formed between 189 pioneer community during ecological succession on rock age. 190 which of the following is not a basic classification of fungi. 191 a state given a statement as true T or false F and select the correct option. 192 the conocytic mycelium is 193 smut fungi are known as 194 which is not a moneron. 195 which of the following process will not introduce new genes into bacteria. 196 physical contact between two bacteria is not necessary in which of the following process for recombination. 197 TMB in characterized with 198 which is wrong about mycoplasma. 199 cyanobacteria are the self-dependent organisms and they are able to carry out 200 which of the following does not apply to ascomycetes. 201 read the following statement. How many statements are not correct? 202 chromatophores are present in